Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the tab icon, also known as the fav icon, on your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now, the fav icon, as I've mentioned, is the icon that appears on your tabs as well as on search results on a search engine when people search up a site. So for example, if you've ever searched for Facebook on Google, you would see that there is that F logo right next to the link or the URL of the page. It also appears on the tabs that open up at the top of your browser, and that is exactly what we're going to be changing right now. Now, to do this, we need to access the logo options of our site or of our store, and we can do that very easily just by going into online store, and from themes, just go and click on customize next to the theme you're already using. Now, this does need to be adjusted for each theme as far as I'm aware, so if you plan on switching themes and switching up the look of your site, you should do that again for that theme as well. Now, as you can see, I'm using the default Dawn theme, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on customize. Now, as you can see, this opens up my store editor, and to the left we have this menu over here, and to the left of that we have this menu over here. Now here we have the sections menu, which shows up as this. This pretty much just allows you to make edits to your pages and how they look. Now, to actually access the logo options, what you need to do is go into the theme settings, which is the gear icon right below the sections, and now we have logo as the first option. Once we pick that, as you can see, we have the option to change our logo, and we can also change the fav icon image. You can select an image from your file. You can also set up a dynamic source, or you can click explore free items to locate free images. I'll just select this one because I think it looks nice. I would recommend you choose a lower resolution picture since it is capped for a certain size. As you can see, it'll be scaled down to 32 by 32. So I'm pretty sure you could even, get bigger pictures or higher res pictures, and they will be scaled down automatically. However, I would recommend you just create one in 32 by 32 just to make it easier on yourself so that you can, more easily fit it into your fav icon slot, and it pretty much would just look better if it's designed for the 32 by 32 resolution. And that is basically all you need to do. Just click save and you're done, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.